Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, AMP, currently trading for $0.048. What's our pathway to a new all-time high for AMP? We saw AMP in the 2021 bull run return more than 3,700%. A $1,000 investment in AMP in November 2020 would have returned more than $37,000 by June 2021. Right now, we're deep in the bear market. AMP is down really bad in the bear market. It has gone from that all-time high it set in June 2021 when it was trading around $0.12 to as low as $0.0047 in the bear market, dropping more than 95%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at AMP's performance against Bitcoin, AMP's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at AMP's market cap. Currently at $203 million, we saw the market cap get to as high as $4.7 billion by the top of the previous bull run. How high can it go by the end of the next bull run? And can AMP's market cap get to that previous all-time high? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're still deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are taking a brutal beating in 2022. AMP is down 2.5% in the last 1 month, but the big one is that in the last 1 year, AMP is down 89%. The bear market is brutal to altcoins. In the bull run, we saw a lot of altcoins pump to the moon. AMP was one of those altcoins. If you're one of those lucky investors that got into AMP in November 2020 when it was trading for $0.0034, and you got to ride it to as high as $0.12, because guys, by June 2021, AMP had gone up more than 3,000%. In the space of 222 days, a $1,000 investment in AMP would have returned over $33,000. That's the wonderment of altcoins. When the market is pumping, when we're in a bull market, altcoins can go to the moon. The flip side to that is that when we're in a bear market, when the market is tanking, altcoins can really dump well. We saw Bitcoin go from an all-time high of $69,000 to as low as $17,000. We have seen AMP gone from an all-time high of $0.12 in June 2021. It has come to as low as $0.0047. And this is October 2022. AMP is down more than 96% from its all-time high. But guys, this is not peculiar to just AMP. This is normal with all coins in the bear market. If you take a look at a lot of altcoins in this chart right now, a lot of them are down 80%, 70%. We have some altcoins down 93%. We even have Lunar Classic down 100%. So the bear market is very, very brutal. The only good news is that the bear market is when you want to be accumulating all these altcoins, because the bear market is where millionaires are made. The bear market is where you can get all your favorite altcoins for very, very cheap. You hold them and wait for them to get to new all-time highs, and you'll be singing Kumbaya. But as AMP is getting to new all-time highs, we're going to be facing some resistance along the way. I'll be showing you key levels you should pay attention to for AMP in this bear market. The first level will be the $0.0047 level. If this level holds as the bottom of the bear market for AMP, this will be a very good entry point, because guys, if AMP goes back to the previous all-time high from where it's currently trading right now, AMP will have to go up over 2,300%. It means a $1,000 investment in AMP right now should return over $23,000 if AMP gets back to a previous all-time high. Another important level I'll be paying close attention to in this bear market will be the $0.008 level. Very, very critical for AMP. Guys, AMP tried to rally to higher prices in September 2022. We got rejected off that level. We want to pay attention to that. And you can see that before AMP lost that level, we were consolidating from June 2022 till August when we finally lost that level. So this is a very, very key level for AMP. Even if you take a look at what AMP did at the past, we're consolidating below that level before we finally broke to higher prices in February 2021. So pay close attention to what AMP's price will be doing when we get to the $0.0080 level. And that level I want to be paying close attention to will be the level where AMP was launched in 2020. When it was launched in September 2020, we saw it even go to as high as $0.012 before it dumped to Goblin Town and went, recovered all those losses, set new all-time highs. I'll be paying close attention to what AMP's price will be doing there. You can see we have a reaction there. We have a reaction here when we're trying to pump to higher prices. Even when we're dumping to Goblin Town, we took a little chill pill around that level. Important levels you want to pay attention to. Also, the $0.024 level. AMP was finding support around this level throughout 2022. Throughout the bull run for AMP, this was a support level. When we lost it finally by April 2022, the gig was over. AMP was dumping to Goblin Town. We saw AMP drop another 80% after we lost that $0.025 level. So you also want to pay attention to that level. I won't be shocked if AMP gets rejected off this level when we're pumping in the future. After AMP goes above the $0.024 level, guys, we'll be left with a big boy of resistance. Just one final resistance before we get to new all-time highs, but this might be the hardest resistance for us to get through, and that will be the $0.042 level. AMP was finding support around this level for the majority of 2021. You can see that we have various bounces around this $0.042 level. We pierced below it right here in May 2022. When we went above it, we had a bounce here. We had a bounce here. We also had a bounce here. And when we finally lost the $0.042 level in January 2022, we have seen AMP drop 88% from that level. This might be where we might find some resistance, maybe till the next bull run, before we see AMP blast above that level. But this is a key level for AMP. If we can get above this level, then we'll be left with just the previous all-time high. We're waiting for AMP to go above $0.078 level. Now, $1,000,000 question is, how high can AMP go by the end of the next bull run? Guys, we use the Fibonacci retracement tool on the AMP US dollar price chart from the top that came in for AMP in June 2021 to the bottom right now. If this proves to be the bear market bottom for AMP, guys, we can see AMP getting to as high as $0.5 by the end of the next bull run. From where AMP is currently trading right now, it will have to go up more than 100x, a 10,000% increase for AMP to get to that $0.5 level. Let's take a look at some details about AMP. In the last 1 year, we have seen AMP go from as high as $0.081 to as low as $0.0046. With a market cap of $202 million, AMP has a fully diluted market cap of $478 million. Out of the total supply of 99 billion tokens, we have over 42 billion AMP in circulation. Currently rank 134 on coin market cap. AMP can be found on most major exchanges. I'll show you those exchanges very quickly. But first, what is AMP? AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexer can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. And where can you buy some AMP if you want to get some? Guys, you can get this altcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Wobi Global, on Gemini, Uniswap, Qcoin, Bitstamp, Gate.io, Sushi, and basically anywhere you get your favorite altcoin. We have over 193,000 people that have AMP on their watch list. If you take a look at AMP's performance against Bitcoin, it's a story of two halves. We saw AMP outperform Bitcoin by a lot, going up over 1,500% against Bitcoin in 141 days. But after that, we have seen AMP dump really hard against Bitcoin, losing more than 91% of its value. AMP took back all the gains we had in the bull run. We're back to where AMP was trading 31st of January 2021. For AMP to get to new all-time highs against Bitcoin, it has to go up more than 1,000%. If you take a look at what AMP has been doing against Ethereum, the chart also tells us the story of two halves. AMP first dropped against Ethereum, losing 86% of its value. By the 26th of January 2021, AMP started pumping to higher prices against Ethereum. Outperforming Ethereum in the next 142 days, we saw AMP go up more than 948% against Ethereum. It was all good, it was all dandy. We're all shouting for AMP to go to the moon. But since then, it has been dumping to Goblin Town, losing more than 92% of its value against Ethereum. And for AMP to get to new all-time highs against Ethereum from where we are right now, AMP will have to outperform Ethereum by over 1,300%. It means 1 Ethereum invested in AMP right now should return over 13 Ethereums if we can break the previous all-time high we set in 2021. If you take a look at AMP's market cap, it had a wonderful ride to the upside during the bull run. We saw the market cap grow up more than 30,000% in 225 days. Very impressive. AMP's market cap got to as high as $5 billion in June 2021. But since then, we have been seeing the market cap steadily decline in the bear market for AMP. AMP's market cap has dropped to as low as $205 million. It's down more than 95% from its all-time high. How high can the market cap go in the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool on AMP's market cap, guys, there's a very slim chance we might see AMP's market cap get to as high as $21 billion. From where AMP's market cap is right now, the market cap will have to go up about 100x. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think AMP is a good buy during the bear market? Do you think we can ever take out the 2021 all-time high where AMP was trading around $0.12? Do you think AMP is one of those coins that will return 100x by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2, 3.